Alright, we're good. Today, we're back with more Pepsi. Let's go. As you guys can tell here, and also by the title, today's challenge is 2.40 liters of Diet Pepsi, ice cold Diet Pepsi, double barrel style. Well, it's not really double barrel style because I'm gonna be chugging this here 2.40 liters of Diet Pepsi as fast as possible through these two silicone straws right here. So that's right, I'm gonna be double barrel style. I don't really know if it's called double barrel because it's through these two straws right here, but both at the same time as fast as possible. I hope that's what you guys are using out here. Silicone straws. Let's save the turtles, the sea turtles. Before I get into this chug, make sure you guys go down below, smash the like button. You guys already know what it is. Let's smash over 30 likes on this video. You guys have been killing the likes on this video. You can smash 30 likes or you can smash like a billion likes. You know, either way, either one is like fine. Billion likes sounds a lot nice, but like, let's just go. A little bit of flashbacks. By the way, if you haven't seen that 100 ounces of Diet Pepsi Zero that I've chugged, make sure you guys check that out. Alright, let's go. I'm actually excited to do this one. This one looks fun. A lot of fun. So let's go. 2 liters of ice cold Diet Pepsi. Sip through these two straws right here. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ready and go. Wow. I've never done this. Holy. Holy. This is crazy. Guys, I just lost a straw in the bottle. This is taking so long because of the straws. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna chug this like regularly because the straws are like getting stuck in the bottle. I don't think they're long enough. And time. Alright guys, so there it was. That was 2.40 liters of Diet Pepsi as fast as possible, double barrel style, through these two straws. But up to the point where I got to like right here, it became hard to double barrel style it. Because these straws are only but so long, they kept getting stuck in the bottle, as you guys can tell here. In the middle of the chug, I had to get another straw because the first one got stuck and it was taking so long to get out of the bottle. So I had to change the straw. Also at the end, I had like a quarter of soda pop left in both bottles. I decided to say, screw it and chug it normally because it was pretty much impossible to double barrel it at the end when I had like a quarter left of soda pop. But besides all that, this is a pretty fun idea that I thought of from one of your guys' idea. That was a challenge, the double barrel straw challenge, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what I'm going to title this yet. This is going to be a very hard title to think of. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Road to 2,000, guys. We are getting so close to it every single day. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe to me. Stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we are out.